First, let's prepare methi leaves. Make sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt. Once cleaned, chop the methi leaves slightly. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Let the oil get nice and hot. Once the oil is heated, add 2 green chilies. Add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Now add a pinch of hing. Saute these until the garlic turns beautiful golden brown. Now add salt as per taste. Now it's time to add our chopped methi leaves. Stir them well to coat them in oil and spices. Add water and stir everything together again. Cover the vessel with a lid and let it simmer on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to blend together and the methi leaves to cook perfectly. After 3 to 5 minutes, uncover the vessel and give it a good stir. Your Methi Chi Bhaji is now ready to be served. Enjoy this healthy dish with chapati or rice.